In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stock screener using Google Finance. This is a simple, powerful way to monitor market trends and specific stock behavior right inside Google Sheets. No expensive tools required. Start by opening Google Sheets. You can create a new document or use an existing one if you want to build the screener into something you already have. Once the sheet is open, click a cell where you want your stock data to appear. Pick a spot with room to grow, because some of these formulas will return multiple columns that spill into neighboring cells. Now for the fun part, in that cell, type an equal sign, then Google Finance with an opening parenthesis. Immediately after, add the stock ticker in quotes. For example, to pull Apple's data, enter Google Finance AAPL. Close the parenthesis and press enter. The sheet will populate with default data for that ticker. You'll typically see the price and related context appear automatically. You can also target a specific attribute so your screener stays focused. To pull just the current price, add a comma and the attribute in quotes like this. Google Finance AAPL price. This is great for building tidy columns for the points you care about, like price or volume, without extra noise. If you want historical data, you can extend the function with dates and a frequency. Enter the ticker and attribute, then the start and end dates in quotes, followed by daily for the interval like this. Google Finance AAPL price 2025 10/01 2025 04/01 daily. This returns a table with dates and values over the period. Make sure your dates are valid and formatted correctly in your locale, and keep them in chronological order to avoid empty results. If you see errors, double check spelling, ticker symbols, and that the market is supported. To learn which attributes are available, use Google's documentation. It lists everything you can request so you can tailor your screener to exactly what you want to analyze. Once your data is in place, make it actionable with filters and sorting. Highlight the range you want to analyze, go to the data menu and choose filter view. Create a new filter view so you can sort and filter without changing the underlying sheet. Use the drop downs to focus on what matters. Filter by price ranges, volume thresholds, or even sector if you've added that as a column. Sort ascending or descending to surface leaders and laggards in seconds. And that's it. A personal stock screener built with Google Sheets and Google Finance, flexible enough to grow with your analysis.